Well, so as of yesterday, I was kind of binge watching this. There is this angel healer called Nitin Mohan Lal. You can find him on YouTube, and oh my God, his videos are at another level because those of us who want to, I've always been those of us who want to be angel healers. It's important to find that guru figure in that field, and I've been trying to find you kind of take a look at a whole cross section of people out there who are teaching angel healing, and I found Nitin Mohan Lal to be the most. It's like you can tell that his intentions are so pure in terms of helping people learn angel healing. But I'll be honest, there's this particular course of his, the angel healing course, that is a little expensive. Yeah, it's like 15,000 bucks. So that is uh, that's what you get, 7 hours worth of 1 hour, yeah, 7 hours worth of content. And I think that's what, a personalized session with him on through a video call. So that's what, but I would highly recommend Nitin Mohan Lal for anyone who is on this path to find a good angel healing teacher. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.